dipole in uniform field. So what expressions we get? Torque equal to P sin theta. In vector form, tau equal to P cross C. Potential energy equal to minus P cos theta. So U equal to minus P dot P. You have find these expressions. Now we'll go for some conditions. First, stable equilibrium. What is the condition for stable equilibrium? Theta equal to 0 degree. That implies torque will be 0. This is the minimum value of torque. Potential energy minus P cos theta, cos 0 equal to 1. So U equal to minus P. This is also minimum. So this is called condition for stable equilibrium. So dipole stable equilibrium रे केते बळे रहइबो when dipole moment is parallel to electric field. That means dipole moment a direction रे रहइबो. So negative charge positive charge ए बळे place है. This is called condition for stable equilibrium. So what is the meaning of equilibrium? देखो equilibrium ର meaning होची net force 0 net torque 0 mechanical equilibrium रा condition. गोटे बॉडी mechanical equilibrium रे केते बळ रहइबो net force 0 net torque 0. So dipole uniform field रे अछि सबु एंगल पाई net force 0 हो जाउची. स्टार्टिंग रो ही हमें कहिचे net force is 0 on the dipole when the dipole is uniform field is in uniform field. So हमको चेक करियार अछि टॉर्क केते बळे 0 होछि. So torque equal to P sin theta. Now torque 0 होबा पई sin theta 0 होबा पड़िबो. तो थीटा केते होबो 0 और 180. So 0 डिग्री रे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी नेगेटिव एंड मिनिमम होछि. This is the condition for stable equilibrium. What is the meaning of stable equilibrium? देखो equilibrium माने net force 0 net torque 0. जदि गोटे बॉडी को स्लाइटली इक्विलिब्रियम रो डिस्टर्ब करले बॉडी अगेन इक्विलिब्रियम को रिटर्न आसीबो देन दैट इज कॉल्ड स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. फॉर एग्जांपल गोटे कप रे मार्बल टे रखिबा ये इक्विलिब्रियम रे अछि आकु जदि स्लाइटली डिस्प्लेस करबा ये अगेन ए पोजीशन को रिटर्न आसीबो. दिस इज कॉल्ड कंडीशन फॉर स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. एबे डाइपोल टाको ए पोजीशन रो स्लाइटली डिस्प्लेस करबा ताले ये ए पोजीशन को रिटर्न आसीबो. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इक्विलिब्रियम इज कॉल्ड स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. Then we will go for condition for unstable equilibrium. So for unstable equilibrium theta is 180 degree. So torque is 0. This is the minimum value of torque. Potential energy equal to plus P. This is the maximum value of potential energy. This is the condition for unstable equilibrium. केमिति रहइबो देखो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ए बळे अछि डाइपोल मोमेंट आको ऑपोजिट हबो. This is called unstable equilibrium. So negative charge एठी positive charge एपटे रहइबो. This is called condition for unstable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium रो मीनिंग होची जदि बॉडी को इक्विलिब्रियम रो स्लाइटली डिस्प्लेस करबा it will move away from the equilibrium. कप टाको उल्टा करके मार्बल रखा हला जदि मार्बल को स्लाइटली डिस्प्लेस करबा पड़ जिवो इक्विलिब्रियम रो दूर हो जिवो. This is called unstable equilibrium. स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम रे कोन होतला मार्बल को डिस्प्लेस करले अगेन आ पोजीशन को रिटर्न आस्तला This is called stable equilibrium. सेमिति टेबल ऊपर बहिने रखिबा आगु जदी स्लाइड डिस्प्लेस करिबा जो पोजीशन रे छाडिबो सेही पोजीशन रे इक्विलिब्रियम अटेन करिवो. दिस इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रल इक्विलिब्रियम. सो इक्विलिब्रियम केते प्रकार अछि? तीन प्रकार. कोन कोन? स्टेबल, अनस्टेबल, न्यूट्रल. बट डाइपोल केस रे दीटा इक्विलिब्रियम ही आछी. कोन कोन? स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम, अनस्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. देन एबे देखिबा जीरो एनर्जी पोजीशन. For zero energy position, theta is 90 degree. So torque equal to P. This is the maximum value of torque. And potential energy is 0. Next we will show dipole in non-uniform field. Dipole को non-uniform electric field रे रखिबा. Then कौन condition आसीबा? Net force is not equal to 0. Net torque is not equal to 0. If the dipole is placed in non-uniform field, for example, this is the non-uniform field. Now in this field a dipole is placed. So आ ऊपरे बोथ फोर्स एक्ट करिबा, टॉर्क एक्ट करिबा. यूनिफॉर्म फील्ड रे कोन होतला? नेट फोर्स 0 होतला, ओनली टॉर्क एक्ट करतला. एबे नेट फोर्स एक्ट करियो माने डाइपोलटा लिनियर डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी नबो, ता सहित रोटेट भी हबो. बुझियला? Next, axial line or end on position or tan A position. So let this is the dipole minus q plus q. This is the midpoint O. So the total length is 2L, this length is L, this length is L. Now the line passing through both the charges of the dipole is called axial line. So first write down the definition. The line passing through both the charges of the dipole is called axial line. The line passing through both the charges of a dipole is called axial line. Write down. Let this point is A, this point is B. Now we take a point P on the axial line. Any position on the axial line is called end on position or tan A position. So axial point to ही हमें end on position but tan A position कहूचे. So let P is at a distance r from O. Diagram करा. Then write down. First a sentence लिखा, then go for the diagram and then write down. Consider an electric dipole consisting of charges plus q and minus q separated at a distance 2L. So its dipole moment P equal to Q into 2L. Direction what रहेगा? From negative to positive charge. Let P be a point on the axial line of the dipole at a distance r from its midpoint O. Next, write the heading: electric field at axial point. So we have to find the electric field, the strength of electric field at point P. So we'll write the electric field at point P due to charge plus Q is E plus equal to प्लस क्यू पाई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कहते हैं वो 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट चार्ज बाय डिस्टेंस ना b रू p ର डिस्टेंस केतना बा pb r square that implies E plus equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by. Now pb equal to op minus ob, that is equal to r minus l whole square. Now for positive charge electric field is away from the charge, so this will be E plus. So co direction rahila along op. Similarly, the electric field at point P due to charge minus q is E minus equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by PA whole square. So PA equal to, now check what is PA, OP plus OA. So this is R plus L whole square. Now this is the negative charge, so electric field will be towards the charge. So this will be the electric field. So it is along PU. So write down. So net electric field at point P is E axial equal to E plus minus E minus. O direction रहेगा E plus ର direction रे, that is along OP. That implies E axial equal to, we'll substitute the values. E plus कहते हैं जी 1/4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus l whole square, sorry r minus l whole square minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus L whole square. Now we'll go for the calculation. That implies E axial equal to, what is common here? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught whole into 1 by r minus L whole square minus 1 by r plus L whole square. That is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. LCM is r minus L whole square into r plus L whole square. In the numerator it will be r plus L whole square minus r minus L whole square. Now it is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus L whole square minus r minus L whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. It is 4ab. So it will be 4r divided by r minus L whole square into r plus L whole square. It will be r square minus L square whole square. Now just arrange the terms. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4rl will divide into 2 into q into 12 into r divided by r square minus L square whole square. That implies E axial equal to, what will it become? Q into 2L equal to P. So it is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR by R square minus L square whole square. It is along OP. So now check the electric field at axial line. It is from O to P, that is it is from minus Q to plus Q, and dipole moment is also from negative to positive charge. So electric field at axial line is parallel to dipole moment P, that is from negative to positive charge. Now for short dipole, short dipole means, or ideal dipole means, distance between the charges is very small. So we can say L is very much less than R. So E axial will become, we can just ignore L with respect to R. So it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2PR by R to the power 4. So E axial will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P by R cube. In vector form, E axial will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2P vector by R cube. So we can say E axial is inversely proportional to R cube. So for dipole, E axial versus distance graph is like this. E inversely proportional to R cube. Next, Next we will go for potential at axial point. So the potential at axial point P is given by V equal to or V axial equal to potential at P due to charge plus Q plus potential due to potential at P due to charge minus Q. That implies V axial. We can write it as V plus plus V minus. That implies V axial equal to V plus. It is the potential due to charge plus Q at point P. So what will be its formula? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by Pp plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught potential due to charge minus Q will be minus Q by P. So taking Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common, will get 1 by Pp. Pp equal to R minus L, and there is a negative minus 1 by Pa, that is equal to R plus L. So it is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R minus L into R plus L minus R minus L. It is 2L by R square minus L square. Now Q into 2L equal to P. So V axial will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square minus L square. आराम से लिखो, कटुनी आराम से अच्छी लिखो तुम फास्ट.